My dear students, I am S.K. Tiwari from Sunbeam Convent School, Buxar, with the explanation of the lesson 2 from history, that is European powers in India, for class standard 8. You know this, that yesterday I taught you about 2 famous battles. Remember that battles, 2 famous battles. One was Battle of Plassey of 1757 and another was Battle of Buxar that was fought in year 1764. Today I shall explain you comparative study of the 2 battles. Today I shall explain you about the comparative study of these 2 battles. So listen to me carefully. If we will compare the Battle of Plassey with the Battle of Buxar, we will get several differences. So let us make comparison. So my dear students, we are going to make comparison between the 2 battles, that is Battle of Buxar and Battle of Plassey. The first difference is, listen to me carefully, the Battle of Plassey made the British masters of Bengal. The Battle of Plassey made the British masters of Bengal, while the Battle of Buxar made the British an important political power in India. This was the first importance of Battle of Buxar and Battle of Plassey. It was the comparative study of Battle of Buxar and Battle of Plassey. The second difference of Battle of Buxar and Battle of Plassey, I am going to tell you. The Battle of Plassey was won through conspiracy, which was adopted by British. The Battle of Plassey was won through conspiracy, which was adopted by British, while Battle of Buxar was won due to the military superiority or power of the British. Once again, while Battle of Buxar was won due to the military superiority or power of the British. Third comparative study and third point under this course, I am going to tell you, in the Battle of Plassey, the Nawab of Bengal was defeated. In the Battle of Plassey, the Nawab of Bengal was defeated, while in the Battle of Buxar, Nawab of Bengal, Nawab of Awadh and the Mughal Empire, Shah Alam was defeated. So we may say this, that in Battle of Plassey only one Nawab was defeated. He was Nawab of Bengal, and in the Battle of Buxar 3 Nawabs were defeated. They were Nawab of Bengal, Nawab of Awadh and Mughal Empire Shah Alam were defeated in combined form. So as a conclusion, and after considering all the facts and circumstances, we may say this, that Battle of Buxar bears more important than the Battle of Plassey. That's why great historian Sir James Stephen has said what he has said, telling us the importance and making comparison with Battle of Plassey and Battle of Buxar, the great historian Sir James Stephen has stated. What he has stated? The Battle of Buxar deserves more credit. The Battle of Buxar deserves more credit than the Battle of Plassey to originate and establish English power in India. So, this is the end point for the topic today, and wait for the next day. I hope I shall see you on next day.